It needs a high end worked on it. Stand by. Okay, we adjusted the high side on it. Let's see if we can get her any better. The clutch ain't as strong as I'd like it to be. And of course I got it hung up. I knew it was going to do it. But yeah, hey, I think that thing's going to work great. I really do. That's what we want. I might try to get that cut at that end, but yeah. There you have it. We've ace hold 6220M. Maybe the M stands for modified. I don't know. Powerful. Hey, it's cutting green oak. That's saying something. This is kind of chintzy. I already bent the handle on it. It's just kind of aluminum. It's not really something very strong. I tell you, would I buy another one? Probably. Hey, look there. There's something you don't see every day. Made in China. For $58 with $64 with shipping. Yeah, though it had free shipping, but with the sales tax, I don't think you can beat it. I'm happy with it. But stay tuned, because we're really going to put her to the test. We're going to get all this cleaned up and the rest of this cut up and hauled out of here. And I'm going to work my way right on down, all this down through here. I'm going to cut all this out. We're going to get all this cut out. We're going to get that old building tore down and start making this place look a little better. And thanks to y'all for getting me off the couch, because, man, I don't want to be lazy. And y'all are driving me to do this. I love it. Temu chainsaw. The impact wasn't too good. So far, chainsaw seems to be holding its own. And I'm impressed. It's pretty loud. It don't have all the muffler emissions and everything that you would have on one here, but that's okay. I don't mind the loud if it gets the job done. And but stay tuned and stand by. We're going to get all this cleaned up. Good morning. It is the next morning. It got a little hot yesterday when we were doing the saw, so I went ahead and stopped for the day. It was late in the day when it showed up in the mail anyway. Man, what do y'all think of that saw? I'm pretty impressed with the way that is. We're going to see if it'll hold up and cut the rest of this, and this morning we'll start and get all this picked up that I've already got cut and get it out of the way, and then we'll see if we can get going with this. Man, it's going to be a great day. And I wanted to get started early because it was like 100 degrees yesterday. Too hot for a fat guy like me to be out here trying to do something. Anyway, let's get going. See if we can get this done today. It shouldn't take as long. All right. I brought this along in case I run in and cross any slithering friends down here. Boy, when we first bought this place, it was inundated with copperhead snakes. I mean, inundated. And I had called and talked to a snake specialist about how to handle the situation, and he explained to me that there's something here that keeps them here, a food source, and I found out it was frogs. We had a lot of frogs, and I got rid of the frogs, and then the snakes went away. Yeah, every now and then I still get one or two, but it's nothing like it used to be. Man, we get 20 of them in the summer, you know, and we've had them on our porch and everything. So I'm always cautious of them. I don't like to get bit. And the other snakes that are good snakes, I don't mess with them. I just move them out of the way and keep doing my thing because they keep the mice down and keep the other critters down around here too. So they do serve their purpose. Oh yeah. Well, some of that I'm going to have to cut a little smaller because it's big and, boy, it's got a lot of weight to it. Some of the smaller stuff I'll have to cut up. Like this. Let's see if we can cut some of that up and get it out of the way. Well, when the tree fell, some of the limbs are way down in the ground. I got to dig them out. And I'm going to go dump this wagon and wipe my face off because it's humid already. It's nice. It's only about 75 right now, but the humidity's real high. And yeah, we're making progress. Stand by. This kind of stuff is a pain in the you-know-where I'm talking about. It's just so entangled up in each other. Ah, come on. Don't want to cut my trailer. All right. Okay, update. We're making progress. As you can see, it's getting better. Just a lot of small stuff to cut up and clean up just to be able to get to the log, to the main trunk of the tree. And that will go pretty easy and fast. And it's just all this stuff, little branches and brush. It's just a lot of work. And but we're going to get it. We're going to keep plugging until we do. Okay, what's falling on my head? There's a dead tree right here. And this thing is massive. And for the life of me, I can't understand why that storm took this one down and not that one. Maybe it was a blessing, because that one would have destroyed this old house, which we're using for some storage right now. But yeah, it's even bigger than the one that took down, and it's just old and dead. I don't understand it. But regardless, we got to play the cards that are handed to us. All right. Oh, a black widow. Let me get the camera over here. Okay. Let's zoom in on this little feller. Right. Careful. There you go. That's a big black widow right there. Good thing I didn't put my hand on that one. That would have not been good. All right. Boy, them black widows, you got to really watch them things. Those things can be super, super deadly if not treated, you know. They pack a pretty good punch. Well, I got some big stuff. I need to kind of cut it down a little bit. So let's see what we can do with the Temu chainsaw. From the boots to the brim, we don't back down. We stand tall with that flag proud. Ain't no shame in red, white, and free. If you're looking for a fight, you found me. Got stars in my veins, stripes in my soul, bald eagle glare when I'm taking control. No handouts, we built this land with grit, stained fists, and calloused hands. That freedom ink, I bleed it bold on every dirt road and every stronghold. On the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made in the USA, where the brave still rise and the strong don't stray. From small town roots to them city blocks. We don't run, we don't punch clocks. We build, we break, we rise again. Yeah, I'm going to have to tighten, put a little tension on the chain on this thing. And that clutch on there, boy, it's really weak. It felt like a good clutch when I was looking at it, but it sure enough is not. It's warm. Where? We're going to get her knocked down. Good thing for the wife. Keep me hydrated. Comment what you think of that saw. Let me know. So far, I mean, it's been a good one. Other than the clutch, it's just not. The chain isn't. You're not getting full potential out of it. The engine has got plenty of power. The saw feels good in your hands, and it's doing its thing. It just does not have a clutch strong enough to engage the blades hard enough. When it gets in that hardwood, it's just stopping it and all that. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe. We love you. Okay, honey, I'm ready. I guess we're ready. Part, maybe even a fourth part to this tree cutting business. I got hot. I had to go take a shower. Part 2 kind of got cut short. And anyway, we're going to see what we can do about getting the rest of this. As you can see, the progress we've made. And that was with this. The big Temu chainsaw. It actually works really well. And that oak is awful hard wood, so it's a bear to cut it. But we're making progress. We've got a lot of work to do. I don't know how much more of this I'll record, but we're going to try to record as much as we can. And I'll definitely keep y'all updated on the progress of all this too. Between this and me having to travel away for work. If y'all are in the market for a chainsaw now, I'm not getting anything back from Temu. They're not sponsoring me. I mean, nothing. This was just a shot in the dark. But if you need a chainsaw to use around your house for $60, it's worth it. I'd say, I don't know the longevity of it, but heck, it's $60. I think it'll be pretty good. I mean, it's cutting oak. That's pretty hard wood. It's worth the money for sure. I'm going to tighten the chain up and sharpen it and do all that. I'll be doing that off camera, but it looks like we're going to have some rain coming in. And as I go, I'll put little tidbits on and keep you guys posted on this, of what we're doing. And as you can see over here, I want to cut these all out and take that building out. Try to clear all this out. So it's got y'all follow along. We got quite the project ahead of us. Penny, what are you doing? She's scavenging. She's trying to see what she can find. She likes to run and play, and she's curious.
He's up there in the shade.
And the other one's up in the shade, and then we have one in the house too that's been sick, and I'll have to keep you updated on his progress.
I'll get you a picture of him later.
Yeah, we'll get you a picture of him, and then we'll show you some of him. He somehow got a flesh-eating bacteria on his face, and boy, he was knocking on death's door. And with the help of a great veterinarian that we have here and everything, he's actually on the mend now. But he's been through it, and I'll keep you guys posted on his progress as well. He's 7 years old. And he's been, oh, we got a bee around us. But he's 7 years old, and he sure, the last 2 months has been pretty rough on him. And I'll get him here and let you take a look at him so you can see what I'm talking about. And we hope that you guys keep him in your prayers, because we sure don't want to lose him. Okay, stand by. Okay. As you can see, this is Twix. He's a 7-year-old Chihuahua, and he's gotten that flesh-eating bacteria.
You can't see it.
And
it's in the shade.
Well, let's turn where he can be seen.
That's my poor baby.
Yeah, he's been through it, but he's on the mend now. He's still real weak. At least we got the bacteria stopped, and now we're just in the process of getting him mended. And it's been a process. It's been about 7 weeks, 8 weeks, somewhere in there, that we've been working with him. And it sure started out with something like he had something in his eye, and it turned into this. And he's not 100% out of the woods yet, but we're hoping and praying that he's going to have a full recovery and do good. But y'all keep him in your prayers, because we sure don't want to lose him. We love having him around. He's a good little boy. All right, that's probably going to do it for episode 3. Be looking for part 4 of this, and because I will get more footage. I really appreciate all the ones that watch my videos and subscribe and follow me. And make sure you hit that like button as well. And for God's sake, whatever you do, subscribe to my channel. That's the thing to do, is to subscribe to my channel. And keep our little dog in your prayers. Thank y'all for watching. We love each and every one of you, and we will catch you again. Thank you.